Yesterday class forms completed. Forms completed. Today all of you install the Visual Studio Code. We'll go for the Visual Studio Code installation. Today do the practicals using Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code like IDE format. So we are going for Visual Studio Code IDE. But the IDE full form is IDE is like integrated development and what environment. Right? Integrated development environment ID. So today you please download the ID from the internet. Code.visualstudiocode.com here. Simply in the website you just take and type the code.visualstudiocode.com. So code.visualstudiocode.com. Just take and type the website. Then you can get the website link like this. So right side we have the download option. So here we can click on the download. So here if you click on the download, just check the URL once. The URL here code.visualstudiocode.com/download. So guys, here we can see the Windows, Mac, and Linux. So we have the different distributions are there. You click on the Windows. Once if you click on the Windows, the file is downloaded. The file is what? Downloaded. You please download that file once. You click on this file, guys. Once if you click on the file, then it is asking like not asking guys. It is downloaded by default. Now you see that the file size how much here to be to the 125 MB file is downloaded. Right? Good. So guys, once the download is completed, you please install the file. Once if you download is over, go to the folder location and check the folder. What the folder it is coming here. And see this is called exe file is downloaded. You double click on that file, you install that file, click on the next finish. Once the installation is completed, guys, in the desktop you'll get the symbol like this is a Visual Studio Code symbol. The symbol Visual Studio Code. See guys, you want to save the program something like some local disk E. You already create one folder, right? But the folder tell me local disk E, local disk D, HTML 9am something like that, right? So you please open directly this folder into the Visual Studio Code. See, this is just you can create one program, HTML programs one folder. Open that folder in the Visual Studio Code directly. Open that folder in what? Visual Studio Code. So guys, let me open that Visual Studio Code here. Just double click on that file. Once if you open the Visual Studio Code, initially you get the blank screen. So this is my React project, something like that. Initially you get the blank screen like this. In a blank screen, like you can go to the file menu as well. Go to what? File, click on what? Tell me guys, open folder. Because you created a folder, right? Put the folder here, HTML 9am, something like that. If you want to create a new folder, you can create the new folder. Just open that folder using Visual Studio Code. Go to the file menu, click on what folder? Open folder. If you click on the open folder, then it's asking that folder location here. Tell me guys what the folder you want to open here. HTML 9am, right? Folder open. Select that folder, then the folder is open. See guys, initially that folder is empty, but we written some programs previously in that folder, right? So first.html, product.html, registration.html, all the files are opening, right? All the files are opening. So initially you don't have any files, guys. Initially we have just only one folder is there. Just we have only one folder. See guys, in that folder you can go for the here plus operation is there, right? So just open the empty folder better. Open the empty folder. In empty folder you can go for what plus operator. See guys, this is called what new file, and this is called what new folder. It means on the main folder you can create the subfolder like HTML folder, CSS folder like that. But okay, fine. This is called file creation. This is called what folder creation. You please create one file, some dummy file you can create. See guys, here I'm going to this is called what test.html file I'm going to create. Test.what.html. You can create the file like test.html. Click on enter. Once if you click on enter, now you see that file here. We got the test.html file, right? Test.what.html file. Okay, this is a test.html file. Let me increase the font size. Say to increase the font size, guys, the bottom side we can see the symbol like settings option here. Can you see that? Yeah, this is called settings option. Can you see this one, right? The star symbol like we can click on the settings. Once if you click on that, go for what settings. In the settings, just directly it is asking like font size. Can you see that font size, right? Yeah, I mean given the font size is what 30 is there. You want you can increase the font size. So increase what font size. Okay, that is called font size. Good. See guys, right side, left side, you can see that this is called Explorer is there, Project Explorer. If you click on this Explorer, left side is Explorer. If you click on that, this side menu is come. Again, if you click on that, side menu will come. If you want to close the side menu, you want to write the code, you can do like that. Again, you want to see the side menu means you can click on the side menu, right? That is called what option guys? Here? Side menu option. See guys, I want to write HTML code in a ID is like you no need to write the complete code. Code is automatically generated. Code is what? Automatically generated. See guys, let me generate some code like just you can type the exclamatory symbol or symbol now exclamatory. Click on enter. Once if you click on enter, automatically the code is generated like that. What symbol I use now? Exclamatory symbol. Then code is what is generated automatically. Good. Guys, here let me write the H1 tag. Just you can write the H1 enter button, automatically opening and what closing will come. If you want to write the H1 like this, when once if you close the open the H1, automatically closing will come. Otherwise, just you can take what is your H1 right. Let's talk what H1 no? Good. This is the let me guess VSC example. VSC example. Just you can write VX example what hello world right. Like that you write the program. Sir, I want to run this program. I want to run this program. To run this program, guys, left side you can see left side once. This is called Explorer. If you click on this Explorer, that is gone, disappear. Again, if you click, that files will be open. So this is one Explorer you can see. But in real time, we have the one file or multiple files are there. Multiple files. We have hundreds of files, and sometimes we have React project thousands of files are there. We need to search what file you want. Means click on the search button. Once if you click on search button, you can go for what they say test.html something like that. It's doing search option, right? It's better. Yeah, that is called file explorer. This is called search option. And this is called GitHub source control. So because you need to push this code to where GitHub, right? Push the code to what? GitHub. In future class, we'll discuss about GitHub. Keep a second. This is source control, nothing but a GitHub. The last one is what they say run and debug the application. Can you see this one, right? This is called extensions. This is what I'm extension, right? Good. So guys, coming to the extensions now, you click on that extension. See, I want to run this program. To run this program, we need to right click on this file. You can what? Right click on this file and go for open with the live server. We need to open with what live server, right? Need live server open. We should open with the live server. If you click on the live server, then what happened? Click on the live server, the browser is open automatically. In the browser, you'll get the VSC example hello world, right? VSC example is what? Hello world. It will showing 127. This is IP address of the system. Port number is a 55000 is there. Test.html file is open. That's dot what? HTML. See guys, tomorrow if you write any code I'm writing H2 tag as you. Let me open the H2 opening and closing. So this is another tag, something like that. See guys, once if you save the file, another tag is just to save the file. Come to the browser. I need to refresh the automatic reloading now. Automatically we got this is what? Another tag, right? So file is what? Automatically reloading. Because of live server guys. That is because of what? Live server. Every modification we are doing, automatically the modifications will be reflected. Automatically what? Modifications are reflected. See guys, automatically modifications are coming, right? Automatically modifications are coming. See guys, to do that, we required one live server extension. What extension? Live server. Then you can come to the file extensions here. We click on what? Extension. Your extension click change. Then you can search for the extension here you can search for the extension what server? Live server. See guys, we have the live server multiple live servers are there. Better to go for the Ritvik day something, Ritvik day something like that. This is the live server we have to click. So extensions, so go for what? Live server, click on what? Enter. So once if you click on enter, this is called live server is what? Anik is there? No. Which one we want to go for live server? Ritvik day. You click on the server guys. Once if you click on the server, here you can see the option is what? Install is coming up, uninstall coming up. Because in my system already available. But your system what you will get? Install you will get. You please install the install the live server. Install the live server and open that file with what? Live server. Open the file with what? Live server, right? So if you want to open the file explorer means now we are in the extensions mode. You want to open the file explorer. To open the file explorer, first one is there. Click on this one. Then file explorer will come in. This is called search coming. This is called GitHub is coming. So this is called publish the code to what, GitHub, right? These are called what, the extensions coming. So like, this debug is coming, extensions coming. Go for the file like this, guys. See how to run this project. To run the project, right click on the project, open with what, live server. Open with what, live server. Then live server will come automatically. Live server will come automatically. We got it up. Good. How to get the basic code here? To get the basic exclamatory, you can write, click on what, enter, then automatically code is coming, right? Automatically code is coming. Good. See guys, like that you will write the code in what, Visual Studio Code. See guys, H1 just you can write the braces, some shortcuts are there, H1 braces are there. Just you can write the message like, hi Ratan sir. You write the message like hi Ratan sir and click on what, enter. Then you see that option, guys. Then what happened? H1 is coming automatically, right? Just I type in H1, open brace and what, close brace. Open brace and what, close brace. Control space. We type the control space, click on enter. Then automatically the code will come. Automatically what? Code will come. See, you won't take the order list, guys. Order list means what tag? Tell me here. OL tag. Order list. Write the greater than symbol. What is the order list contains? List items. How many list items you want? What are the list items you want? How many list items you want? 5. Assume that into 5 you can write. Then what happened here? Order list greater than list items into 5. Click on enter button, guys. Not enter button directly. What you should do? Control space. Control space. You type the control space, enter button. Now you see the code here. Automatically what happened here? Order list is coming. Automatically what? Li is coming, right? Yes or no? Yeah? These are the shortcuts. We have some shortcuts. Through experience, we'll get the shortcuts and all. One by one, we'll write the code here. Order list greater than. Then what you want? Li tag into 5 into 10, whatever it may be. Into 10 means we'll get the 10 items. Otherwise, you do an Li tag into 10. What items 10 required? Anchor tags required. List items with how many items you want? 10 items. The 10 items, what content required? Anchor tag link required. Just you can click on enter button. Now you see, guys, we got the order list is coming, link is coming, list is coming, list contains what amount? Anchor tags. Just here, let me write the message like, click here something like that, Google. Then you can type the Google website, www.google.com. Like that, we need to add some code. Like that we need to add what, some code. See guys, like that VS is having the multiple options, guys. To see that all the cheat code, to see what, all the cheat code, we have the website like, documents like, the cheat code website, guys. Docs.em at something like IO cheat sheet is there. Cheat sheet means here you can see all the information, guys. See, for example, I want a navigation bar, an order list item. You can take this one here, navigation tag, an order list item, an order list and what, list item. And then what you will get? Yeah, you can click on control space, enter. See guys, navigation bar coming, an order list is coming, and what, list items coming. So you put it on, get it. Like that, guys, you have a cheat code like this. See, unordered list greater than Li into 5 multiplication, right? So here you can see, guys, unordered list, this is the class name it is taking, fine, good. Okay, these all are the cheat code is there, just you can check the cheat code. See guys, you want input type equal to text. See, input tag, no, just you can take the input to colon, just you can come to the file and tell me guys, type the file, just you can write the input colon text, right? Dxt, click on enter button, then what happened here? Input type equal text, name is coming and ID is coming, right? Exactly. It's not like we will sit and write the every line of code is not possible. Before ChatGPT, we are writing this cheat code option here. If you want text box means what? Input equal to text, enter what to just text box. Input type equal text. But now we have the ChatGPT, you will copy code from what? ChatGPT and paste the code. Before ChatGPT, you use this kind of shortcuts. So if you want password box means what? Input to colon. Input colon what? Password, enter button. Now you see input type equal to what? Password. We got to get like that. We got it. This is called cheat code website, guys. You can check the cheat code website like that. So we have the multiple cheat codes, guys. Multiple things. These all are the cheat code shortcuts. Slowly learn one by one, then future is like, when you required, you can apply the field code, right? Good. With that is called what? Visual Studio Code. Guys, that is the data. See, we written the order list, LI tag, LI into how many items guys? 10 items guys. 10 items, I want anchor tag like, link is required. Just click on like that, we got the output tag. See guys, like that we have the multiple lines of code. Assume that you want to write the table tag. What tag? Table tag. Table tag into, table tag contains what? Table, row. Table row into 5. Assume like that. Click on enter. Now see guys, table tag contains what? Table rows. Table tag contains what? Table rows. Table tag into table rows, and each row contains what tag? TD tag. TD into 3. Just you can check the output once. Wait, this is a table tag. Table, how many rows required? 5 rows. And each row contains what tag? TD tag. TD with how many TDs required? 3. It means how many rows? 5 rows. Each row contains how many columns? 3 columns, right? Enter quotation. Automatically get the table tag is coming, table row coming. First row contains 3 TDs. Second row also contains 3 columns. Third row also contains 3 columns. Fourth row also contains 3 columns. This much code is generated. Just you can have the data here, that we can have what data, right? Good. See guys, in real time you write the code like this. See, when you write the code like this in Visual Studio Code, we should know one more point here. Good. See guys, I want to minimize the code. Just in the left side, just we can see the arrow symbols. Left side, what symbol? Arrow symbol. Because in real time, you write the div, under the div, under the div, another div, multiple divs you will write. See, I want to minimize the code means this is the main OL tag, right? You can click change. So that I can see that this is a click to collapse the range. Just you can go for this one, guys. You click just. Then OL is closed. Then you can come to the table. Table also what? You click on this table. Now see guys, I clearly see the structure is what? Okay, my project contains the order list, my project contains what? Table, right? అట్లా కొలాప్సెస్ చెక్ చేయాలి ఫోన్. So if you want to expand means again expand. No sir, I want to check how many rows are there. Come to this row, this row, and collapse this row, and collapse this row also, and collapse this row also. Now see guys, there's a table tag. The table tag contains how many rows? First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Like that, we should use the Visual Studio Code. Code here, Visual Studio Code. Open the laptop now. Install the Visual Studio Code and install the live server. Install what? Live server, and execute the template. Basic template you write, and execute the code with live server. Execute the code with what? Live server execution. Open the laptop, install that software. Visual Studio Code is ID, integrated development environment. Download and install the Visual Studio Code. Wait, download complete, huh? Other person download. So guys, once the download is completed, open the folder, Visual Studio Code. Stop writing lesson 1 point. See, you go to the file menu. How to open the folder? Go to the file menu, open folder. Go to the file menu. Go to the file menu, click on the open folder, then browse the folder already you created to save the HTML programs, right? I select save. Option 2 is there. Otherwise, you go to the, let me close this Visual Studio Code. Now I close the Visual Studio Code. I want to open the second option. You can check the second option. Go to second option, say open your folder location in the command prompt. What is your folder? The folder location. Here, how to open the command prompt? The folder location. This is the folder. Right? These are the files, your files. ఇక్కడ నుంచి command prompt open చేయాలి. How to open the folder command prompt from here? Open the command prompt, cd command dot dot, right? Cmd something like that. Yeah, that is not going to work out in the real time. Real time, if you want to open the command prompt, a file location, go to the file location. This is called address bar, right? In address bar, just to type the cmd, click on enter. Once if you click on enter, command prompt directly open that location. I will open it for you. Here, just you type the code space dot. Code space dot. If you type the code space dot, click on enter, Visual Studio Code automatically open to that location. Automatic Visual Studio Code open. Command prompt open చేసి it's not going to work out. Like that's it, guys. How many options did you total here? 2 options. Option 1 is what? Right in all options you can check it better. Option 1 is what? Open the VSC, go to the file menu, open the folder and browse the folder. You check the output is coming or not. Again close it and again take the option. But option 2 here, folder location command prompt open. Yeah, just type the command is what? Code space dot. Then Visual Studio Code automatically open, right? That's it. See guys, I told that here go for the command prompt. Go to what? Command prompt. Type the CMD. Click on how to open the Visual Studio Code, guys. Code space dot. Click on enter. Visual Studio Code is open. I told the basic structure how to generate exclamatory control space enter. Option 1. Option 2 is like just you can type the, see, 1 is like exclamatory symbol control space kottandi enter. Option 1. Option 2 is like exclamatory symbol, just you can type the tab kottese, but we can type a tab. See, here we have the list items, order list items into 5. I told that control space enter. Option 1. Option 2 is what? Just to type the tab. Just type what tab. 2 options are there. Tab కొట్టేయండి లేకపోతే you can write the control space enter కొట్టేయండి. How to generate the basic structure. Hey, how to run that project? Install the live server, right? First Visual Studio Code open అయిందా? డౌన్లోడ్ చేశారు? మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఏదమ్మా మర్చిపోయారా? ల్యాప్టాప్ మర్చిపోయి అదేంటి? Install the extension, guys. What extension we need to install? Live server. What is the Live server we can select the click date. Live server install చేయండి. Hey, how many of you got the output? Ochina, one, two, Migra. Hey, you check this one. This type of check chain. Write the H1 tag, something like H1. H1 just write the tag like this. Something like you write the message, good morning message, something like that. Good. How to run this project? Right click on the project, open the license. Then we got the message like good morning, right? Good. But here the point is, I want to change this H1 tag to H2 tag. What I should do? See guys, because my paragraph is there in one place, starting paragraph is the 10th line, closing is 100th line, something like that we have the data. Then here H1 is opening is there, here H1 is what? Closing is there. We వినండి చెప్పినప్పుడు క్లాస్ ఏంటి రన్ అయిందా when I'm talking you listen to screen ఇవన్నీ చిన్నపిల్లలు కొడుతారు LKG 5th class వరకు. See guys, this one is like we have the paragraph opening. See my system you can see H1 opening tag I changed it to H2. I decided. Then what you observe here? I change it like opening tag, then closing tag is automatically changed to H2. Because my paragraph is there in the first line. Ending paragraph is there in the 20th line. Generally, what you should do, open this one you change, just you can go down, go down, go down. At last, we have to change the closing line. That's what guys. When the opening tag is changed, then closing tag also automatically changed. When the closing tag is changed, opening tag also automatically what? Changing, right? That is the tools we are using there. To achieve this one, guys, you please go for the extension like auto rename tag extension is there. What extension number? Auto rename tag. See guys, auto rename tag extension is there. Go for the extensions here. Click on this extension here. Go for what? Auto. Then guys, auto rename tag. See guys, we go for the auto rename tag. Auto rename tag. Here we have the auto rename tag. Click on this one. Then you got the my system is what uninstall because already installed. You take the auto rename tag from what Jim on something like that. This guy. Take the auto rename tag from this person because you get the multiple extensions for the auto rename. Multiple extension. You please cross check that this is called tag is there. This is called what auto rename tag. You can install this one guys. Install what guys here? Install. Adokasari install chesi check the data coming or not. Good. Then stop writing this and listen. Last point. See guys, I want display like here I want display the YouTube videos in my website. Assume that in website I want display the YouTube video. Ratan sir YouTube video something like that. See guys, Ratan sir YouTube video something like that. Close what? Close the H1 something like that. I want to make the YouTube video here. Display the YouTube video means just he can go for the YouTube guys. In YouTube like I have some channel of YouTube. In YouTube, I have the Coursera videos, advanced videos, Python videos, data science videos, and the multiple videos in YouTube. Returns prime number example, something like that. Prime number example, you can enter. Then you will get the RATA. Good. We have the 90 channel, something like this. There's the channel for that. We have the videos. What I'm saying, we have the HTML videos, all that. Item number, column number, prime number example is there. You click example. Once if we click on the prime number example, we got the video. Yeah, I want to display this video in my website. To display this video into the website, see there is a prime number example. You right click on the video. You right click on the video, copy the embedded code is there. So guys, you right click on the video, tag symbol is there. No? There is a tag symbol here. This is OP tag and tag symbol. Right? You click on this tag symbol. Once if you click on this tag symbol and you can come to the file, just you can paste the code. That's all it is. Paste that what code. See what the code you copied now, just you can paste the code here. You get the SRC and the title. So here you get the title like this. So you guys title hello. You got the code like this. I copy paste is it. Just once if you copy paste the code, just you can open the browser, check the output once. Yeah, see guys, that is your answer YouTube video. That is the channel. See guys, we got this video is a big size is there. Go for the width and height changing. Width is like 300, height is what something like 300 you can make it as. See guys, that is called. This is our website. Like, normal example we did like this. Height is just you can make it as a 200 like this. Just you can come to the file. Yeah, that is a video guys. Video is playing in our website. The video is playing in what? Our website. That doesn't say YouTube video. See guys, I want to make the Google Maps home location. See guys, in websites you are seeing the Google Maps, right? It's not a big task guys. Just a simple thing. Google Maps they are not going to implement. Already implemented by Google, right? So just we need to take the link, paste to our website as well. Just you can go for the Google Map means home address, something like that. Home what address? Hey, have you shared the address to others? To share the address to others, what we will do guys here? Just you can write what? Amirpet what? Amirpet Google Maps. Just you can write the Amirpet Google what? Maps you can type the enter. Now you see guys, we got the Amirpet Google Maps is there. Yeah. Then what you will get here? If you want share this location to other, you click on what button here? Share button. You click on the share button as well here. Once if you click on the share button, you'll get the data like this. Yes, but you want to share the link embed into map, embed the map. You click on this embed map. Once if you click on this embed map, guys, here you will get the link actually. So click on what map. Share, send a link, embed a map, embed a map. You click on this embed a map, guys. You copy this link here. Just you can copy the link. Come to the website here. Just you can paste the link here. That's all. Paste the link, guys. After pasting the link, just that's it, guys. Once if you place the link, this is called what tag? Iframe tag. Iframe tag purpose is to embed the YouTube videos, to embed the Google Maps like that. Then you can come to the website here. Just you can see there is a YouTube video and the video is playing. Just you can come down here. This is a Google Maps is based on website. Just you can change the height and width of the file, guys. Width is what 200, height is what 200. Just you can come to the file and you can check the address. This is a Google Maps section. Good. See, width is height is just you can make it as 150 something like that. Width is you can make it as a 300 better. Let's come to the file here. Now you can see the Google Maps is coming right. This is called Google Maps. So to embed the Google Maps and to embed the the YouTube videos, you are going for the tag is what? iframe tag. Iframe tag you are writing automatically coming up. Automatically coming. You don't write the iframe tag as well. Automatically the data is what coming right? Exactly. Guys, like that you have iframe tag. No sir, in my system I have the our own videos. Our own what? Videos. See, you want display your own video, guys. To display your own video, to display what? Your own video. See guys, to display the your own video, we require the you want display what is here? Your own video file. See to display your own video file, guys, let me take one video tag here, video data. Just you can take the images. One second, let me take one dummy video here. Then go for the materials, HTML, CSS. Yeah, images. See guys, let me take one small video. Is there here, here, here? This is a video file. So you guys place this video file into your location like HTML 9 programs like this. You place the data like here. This is called video file in place. But the video file is here data MP4 video. This is called what file? Video info file is there, right? Exactly. See guys, you want to display the YouTube videos means what the tag we use the iframe tag. Google Maps means what tag? The iframe tag. But this is the YouTube video, no normal video, no normal video. So you guys display the normal video like this. Display the normal, tell me guys, normal what video. To display the normal video, what we should do here is like just you can take the tag is video tag. Video tag opening and video tag is what closing. Because you take the video tag, you open what video tag. Video tag contains like source option guys. What option? No source. See that video tag you should open in the video tag. Open the source. This is called what guys here? Location of the file. Location of the file. You do one thing. You place that in the into the project here. I place here. We have the file name is what video info dot what now MP4 right? Exactly. Guys, you please. This is a video file. But the file name guys here. Just you can write the video info dot MP4. Just like that. What a tag we take in here? Video tag. Video tag contains what the tag is here? Source. Now we can come to the file. You can come to the file. Just you can check. This one is what guys here? YouTube videos. What Google Maps. This is called what normal video. But normal video the size is too much size is there, right? Let me go for the height and width take an adjustment. Video contains what guys here? Video height. Video height we can make under 200 and video width we can make it as a the video width is what something like 150 we can make it as. See guys, last video height and width is what it is like 300 you can make it as height is what something like height is also 300. Just you can see guys, we got the video height and width like this. But I think do you get the controls or not getting the controls? We are not getting the controls, right? Exactly. See guys, we are not getting the controls. You can go for the control data here. Good. Let's go for the Google just you can go for the HTML. Great. Last time many of that class. We need the control here. Hey, better to sit outside and sleep better. Why you are sitting in the class and you are not doing work is useless, right? Hmm? You are coming after today's again. First day you came and today you came. Yeah. That's it, guys. That is like controls coming and not coming. The control is not coming. Let me go for the controls here. Copy this one, guys. Here. Let me go for the controls here. Video height and width you manage. The next is what controls, right? Exactly. Guys, come to the controls here. Yeah, we got the controls now. See, guys, these are the controls we got it, right? Good. Yeah, by default, starting a video, not starting the, not starting. See, controls enable, and you can go for what it is start. Start means, see, guys, when web is open here, when website is what open. The website is what open. Video tag is there, right? Video tag. Controls. Video tag is what controls. Is the data. I think it's starting or not starting. Not starting. I need to start. When I click on it, it will start, no problem. But what I will do, this is called audio control. Guys, autoplay actually. That is called what autoplay attribute, not start attribute. See, control is what you get the control. Attribute means what automatically playing, right? You can come to the file, guys. Now you see that video. The video we started automatically started. Automatically started, right? Exactly. Yeah, the video is automatically started. Automatically started. That is called autoplay attribute. Attribute name autoplay. See guys, autoplay attribute is there, loop attribute is there. Loop means what? Loop is what? Continuous playing is there, muted attribute is there, right? Height and width and poster. Poster means what? Thumbnail image. Yes, muted. Let me check once because when the website is opening here, click on the refresh. Refresh. This is autoplay. Automatically what started here. Let me click on. That is the autoplay is there, right? Good. Autoplay is there. Yeah, autoplay is there, automatically started. See guys, after autoplay, let me take the what option is here? Muted option. So guys, muted option means you see that muted option I click the automatically coming on. So this one is muted, right? By default it is one muted. Right? That's it guys. If you remove this muted, then what happens is here? Just you can come to the file. Now you see the muted option is enabled, disable, right? Like that you can play the what files guys here? What files here? PDF files, right? Monica laptop జాగ్రత్త నువ్వు వాడు పడినప్పుడు ల్యాప్టాప్ ముందుకు పడింది అనుకో ఓకేనా కూల్ బడ్డీస్ ఇంకో రేస్ కల్ ఆడియో ఫైల్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ వీడియో ఫైల్ కూడా మర్చిపోతుంది ఏం చేస్తున్నా that is called what next one is what audio file guys audio file also you can take the same thing this is audio height and width you can mention like audio data here come to the file guys audio tag also contains the same thing audio tag you can check it guys audio also contains what about source contains what src is what song.mp3 you can make one song that song is displayed like this right exactly guys see normal videos and audios means audio tag youtube videos means iframe tag google maps means what iframe tag right exactly guys like that you can go to the file and to the refresh now see guys can you see that this is called what audio no video no audio file see that audio data is not there that's what it is not showing information if audio is location is properly enabled you will get the automatically data right automatically data yeah you check these four things guys one is iframe tag like iframe tag is what youtube videos and google maps and normal video and normal video and what normal audio right exactly hey you check up to that point huh?